What type of support do you provide your franchisees? And who's a good franchise candidate? All right, tell me about your franchise.
Yeah, so we're Mosquito Squad. We're the #1 and first mosquito franchise in America. So there's a lot of imitators out there. We've been doing it for 20 years though.
Amazing. What type of support do you provide your franchisees?
Yeah, so we handle all their marketing for them. One thing that's really unique that I like to point out about this brand, it's fairly unique in the franchise. I think we're the only one to do it. No royalties for the first year. So we're getting all the support they would get from a great franchise system, right? That's what royalties pay for, without paying 1%.
Amazing. And who's a good franchise candidate?
We're looking for someone that's a go-getter, that's wanting to put the time in and grow the business. We're always trying to get the franchisees to move from being in the business to on the business, right? So more administrative back office, but in the beginning, we expect them to put some effort to grow and get that what we call earned absenteeism, right? Over time, they earn the ability to spend less time in the business.
And how many locations do you guys have?
We're at about 250 locations currently.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We like the business a lot. Anything home service, we were always a big fan, right? We'd love to give you one of our badges as franchise top picks.
Oh, cool.
Real careful. Here we go. There are over 4,000 different franchise opportunities out there. To reduce your risk when picking a franchise, we provide you key insights and a great process to match you with the perfect opportunity. To learn more, click the link in our bio to schedule a free consultation today.